Where are we? I think I live in a... Oh, hey there. It's me, Gordon Ramsay, story time. I've got a story. A story about when I got high on the drug. We're gonna check out the Baggley House Sunday carvery. Let's go. It is so dark in here. Well, that's some delayed reaction lights. Found this. Shoes off. Today, we're going to be visiting Mrs. Baggley's restaurant, which I got word of is very bad and in need of help. We're going to visit it and change it forever. Hey, this is Kitchen Nightmares. I'm British and I'm Gordon Ramsay.
I think Mr. Ramsay sometimes is a little bit forthright, isn't he? He doesn't hold back when he's telling people his views, and he can be a bit offensive.
I am going to go into the restaurant myself and try the food for the first time. Well, not quite for the first time, but I'm going to go see how the food is and going to rate it. Let's try some food. I'm just going to kids restaurant. Baby on the floor, a middle-aged man. Another middle-aged man.
What?
Another middle-aged man.
What, mate?
High five.
Where do I sit?
Just high fives. And a hug by the arm.
These white coasters. Noise level 5 out of 4. I've been waiting 25 minutes for my starter, and all I can see is a random kid looking at me. And a random man looking at me. Who is that? What did I do to you? And what is your opinion on the food? How long have you been waiting for? Now that is a face of someone who's been waiting for just longer than half an hour. I personally think that's a bit crazy. I've been to a lot of restaurants in my life, including my own, and I never have had to wait this long. This is just proving that some restaurants are just pushing it too far on the waiting time.
And what's more, I'd like to go to his restaurant one day and have a look in his kitchen.
Excuse me?
Hello.
Are you talking bad about me?
I shall come and have a look in your restaurant one day, Mr. Ramsay.
That food was rancid. This restaurant is terrible and needs work. It's time to talk to the owner. Oh, come on, jump! Hey. It's me, Gordon Ramsay, and if you previously saw me at Mrs. Baggley's restaurant, you saw that we ordered the Caesar salad and got clotted cream. I realised that I had to go and collect it from the counter, which I went and gone and got it, and when I did, it was just pieces of raw chicken and pepper and lettuce. Now that's cross-contamination if you've been watching me. That's cross-contamination.
No.
Let's really spit this out. And if you know anything at all, you would know not to eat it, which I did. I did not eat it. Okay, I ate a tiny bit just to see how it tasted. just all for the sake of the content, but I seem fine, but still, that doesn't mean it's okay. We're now going to go have a look at the health and safety of this restaurant. Let's go. It seems like this restaurant is situated in a living place, and we've got a bit of a situation as well. I'm not beating the pedo allegations. Wine like this out in the open releases toxins into the air. -5 points. And there's one too many examples of things on the floor. Oh! 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 What is this? We put all this on the ground. In this room, it appears there's a hospice for small children. Oh, I've had enough of that. There's someone getting changed. Cut the camera, guys. Cut the camera. Despite the negatives of this establishment, the toilets are still solitary. They're amazing. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. It's time for the cleanliness of the kitchen that you've all been waiting for. Here we have Charles D, the head chef. You, Charles D, why have you been relegated to the dishwasher staff?
Because apparently my dear wife thinks I love doing it.
Let's interview your dear wife. You, Mrs. Baggley, the owner of this restaurant.
Oh, good afternoon. I am indeed
Have
the
you read
owner and the head chef. Chief bottle washer and changer of babies' nappies. Does your nappy need changing?
No. That's
Good.
Apparently,
Because I've had enough of changing nappies.
your co-worker,
Yes.
your colleague or whatever, has been relegated to the dishwasher.
Well, I'm afraid that's all he's good for. He's only got the IQ of a flea.
That's a bit
It's harsh.
insulting,
isn't
don't
it?
you think?
It is insulting, but you look at him now. He just does repetitive jobs. He doesn't have any initiative.
Stop speaking the truth, Jen.
I don't resent my partner that much. It's just that I find that he's particularly suited to washing the dishes. For example, I used to have a dishwasher, but I discovered that he was washing everything up before he actually put it in the dishwasher. And I thought, well, this is just a waste of time and energy, isn't it? So now the dishwasher has gone and he just washes up, which he seems to like very much. And his hands don't get sore.
We could not, unfortunately, see the whole cleanliness of the kitchen because of Charles Day's wife, aka the owner of the restaurant. She shimmied us out and she spanked her husband. It was quite a sight from all the other sights that we've seen. Babies crying, 5-year-olds grabbing me, random men looking at me, someone pooing themselves, spanking. It's 5 things. Look, 1, 2, 3, 5 things. It's actually outrageous. We have smelt some fishy stuff on Mrs. Baggley. We think she's dope. Dope. On cannabis. I'm gonna go find out. We think there's cannabis or marijuana hidden in this lady's basement. We got it here, right here. Hello? That was the biggest operation I've ever seen. Oh,
In my basement, I've taken up a new hobby. I'm growing mushrooms. Special leaves. You're probably referring to my lamb's lettuce. And celery. Celery grows very well in the dark, you know. And that has green leaves. And also sometimes I grow mustard and cress in the cellar. Well, Mr. Ramsay was probably looking at my wonderful collection of vintage wine in my cellar. And no, I haven't really changed my view of Mr. Ramsay, and I'm certainly not going to open up one of my vintage bottles of wine for him. He can have a cup of tea if he likes.
For the record, I'm not high.
Sir, what do you find in there?
Absolutely nothing for you to worry about. I've already taken down one guy over there. Hey! Hey! You sir! What are you looking at?
What?
What did you say about me?
You're an abusive boss.
Oh, you call that abusive? I'll show you abusive.
Hey, Gordon. How you doing?
Good, I guess. What's it to you?
I don't really have a job anymore.
Who are you?
Cameraman Joe.
Cameron Joe? I never fired you.
Oh.
Listen, bro. Cunt. I never fired you. I think it's time I tell you what happened in that basement.
Oh gosh, the police are always here. They go down to my cellar. They try a few celery leaves. They have a glass of wine. They love it here. They're very happy. They even unbutton their shirts and take their ties off, and they have a wonderful time.
So, start off straight. And then when I take you on your heels,
Oh my God.
Right here.
the body weight on the back. Okay?
Oh, these kids, I can't see.
Oh my
Okay, now you go straight.
God.
This is fine powder.
That's not marijuana.
It's not. It's coke.
Oh my God, Gordon. Can I try some?
No, it's mine.
Well, you got it for free. Why can't I have a little bit? I've been working for you for free these past years. Plus £1,000 every shoot, but you know, take away that 1,000, it's for free, isn't it?
Put your hand out. That's enough to sniff.
Well, Mr. Ramsay, you've just got to be careful you don't go bankrupt again. Don't over-expand yourself. And try to be more polite to people, because, you know, one day you might be on the way down and somebody might come to see your restaurant and start to eat your food and then go spit it out into a napkin, because I have seen you doing that. It's rather disgusting. And then you tend to pick food around like this, and you look at people and you say, has this food been in a microwave? Well, let me tell you, my restaurant wouldn't work well without at least 6 microwaves. And microwaves are perfectly lovely for cooking food. So put that in your pipe and smoke it, Mr. Ramsay.
Thank you, boss.
How many push-ups? I may have given the restaurant a bad rating, and the food there isn't that good and can be quite bad for you. But if you know the right code, you can have some good fun. The code is 1234, free marijuana. Gordon Ramsay.